today's video, we will accomplish a cut crease. Yes, indeed. Let's go. Go. If you are new here to AZ Beauty, I'm AZ, and if you want to join the beauty gang, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you could always know when I upload videos. Let's go right into the video. Hello beauty gang, it's your girl AZ, and I am here with another video. We are doing a cut crease look. I was inspired by someone on Instagram, and I said, ooh, those are some beautiful colors. Let's go. So as you can see, I already did one eye off camera because I like to have something to follow. So I'm blending in. I already did the eyebrows. I already put my concealer down, and now I am blending with a brown on the crayon case. And as you can see, I took on the video on Instagram, they took a line down in order to get that to get that cut crease effect. And so I wanted to follow their moves so I can learn and get better. And so as you can see, I'm using a burgundy, but I was a little confused of which colors I wanted to. I was indecisive of which colors I wanted to use on the first eye, and I went back and forth between a deep purple. I couldn't see if it was burgundy, so I just decided that okay, it was burgundy. And as you can see at the top, I blended in an orange to give it that burnt effect. Trying to make sure it looks the same there, but there's always a happy accident in makeup because it's just like painting. You only have good accidents, of course. So when in doubt, blend out. As you can see right there, I am trying to pack in as much burgundy as possible, going underneath my eye to make sure it looks the same on the other side to give it that look, and trying to have that blend effect or whatnot. Even though this picture on there doesn't have it under the eye, it did at the finished product. So what I'm doing right now, I am wiping off the excess makeup so my teal that I chose can really pop. And so I'm making sure I'm cutting it with a nice concealer there that can give it a nice pop, and I'm trying to make sure that you can see the burgundy splashing through on the edge, as you can see there. And so I packing on the burgundy and just doing a little light taps and making sure I get in between the creases, so it doesn't cut. So now I'm packing back on the burgundy to give it that look. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm still improving on that, where I don't poke myself in the eye. It just seems weird that my eyeball starts to water on the other side whenever I'm doing one side of my face with the eyeliner. So as you can see, I put on some lashes, and those lashes are from a particular site that I saw on Amazon, and I was like, oh, those lashes look really nice and they're reusable, as you can see there. And I was like, oh, how do I make sure the blend is right? And so as you can see, I was putting on my foundation and everything to that nature. And yes, and that is your girl finished look, as you can see right there. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button so you can always know when I upload videos.